Good morning from Truro Community Fire Station, Orange Watch. Now with Pancake Day looming, we think it would be beneficial to do a pancake safety talk now. So you can enjoy your pancakes with family and friends in a safe manner. So can I go some safety points?
Should you be using a non-stick pan, this is the safest way. But if you do add oil, only add a little bit, keep it safe. If you do still manage to set fire to the pan, remain calm, turn the power off, and if you have a pan lid to hand, place on top. However, if you have a fire blanket, which is our safest way, we prefer you use that, and Matt will demo.
Some kitchens do have a fire blanket. It'll be marked fire blanket and ideally next to the door. So you've got two tags just sticking at the bottom here. To release the blanket, hold the tabs and pull down. Once you've got the blanket, then protect your hands, which is an important point. Okay, straight up to what's on fire and place the blanket, protecting your hands, face, over the appliance that's on fire. Just tuck in the sides, making sure there's no air that will get to it. And then if you don't feel confident, don't forget to get out, stay out and call the fire service out.
Following all those precautions, hopefully you'll have a very safe and happy Pancake Day. A safe pancake is a good pancake.
Yay!